Hello, this is Chris, your warranty claim assistant from Warranty Valet. In this guide, I will walk you through the steps to claim the Eureka warranty. Subscribe to Warranty Valet for more helpful guides on warranty claims and tips. Dive into our website, which has vital instructions for claiming the Eureka warranty in 3 simple steps. The first, second, and third steps provide details on registration, returns, and contacting the customer support team. Scroll down further to find various contact methods, email, phone, and the office's physical address. The phone number: 800-282-2886. Can be reached every day of the week except Sundays. Operational hours are from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. EST on weekdays and 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. EST on Saturdays. The official website of Eureka has a Contact Us button below the support section at the bottom of the page. By clicking it, you will be able to view a form that includes fields for the order number, name, email address, and a message box. You can either fill out the form or call them directly. However, Eureka offers you a replacement only if the troubleshooting guides they provide fail. It is recommended to go through the answers in the FAQ section before contacting Eureka. Before we conclude, remember that if you ever encounter difficulties or have questions about the warranty process, you can always reach out to us through the Warranty Valet website. We've assisted numerous customers before, and we're here to assist you too.